Satnam and welcome. I'm Parm Dave and this is Yogic Living. And today I want to show you a simple chocolate cocoa recipe with only 3 ingredients. This is a really simple and quick recipe. As you can see, all we have is oat milk, some cacao, and some cinnamon. So I'm going to make a large batch, so feel free to reduce this recipe if you want to. I'm putting in 6 quarts of oat milk. I'm going to add a cup of cacao. And 6 cinnamon sticks. Now, of course, if you don't have any cinnamon sticks, you can just add some ground cinnamon. She wouldn't have to add as much ground cinnamon, probably only about a tablespoon. And then we simply bring it to a boil and stir it in. As you can see now, it's coming all together. Of course, we've got to bring it up to a high heat so everything boils real nice. And once we start boiling, then we can drop the heat down to a low heat. So after boiling it for a little while, now it's ready to serve. And then you end up with some hot cocoa that's fit for a king.
Alright, I'm gonna try this nice hot cocoa. Looks pretty good so far. Smells great. Does smell like the oats. Pretty nice.
You believe there's no sugar in that?
I can believe it doesn't taste sugary at all. You can actually taste the oat, but it tastes pretty good. Yeah. Really smooth.
Alright, well, let's give her a shot and see how she tastes. Nice and sweet, chocolatey, and there's no sugar in it. And so the cinnamon actually provides a sweetness to it. There's not even any cinnamon or there's not even any sweetener in the oat milk or anything. All right. Well, that's how I made some hot cocoa. Satnam. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down there if you want to see more of these things. And hit that bell icon if you want to be notified next time I upload one of these videos. And by the way, I wrote a book. It's all about my spiritual journey. It's called Why I Wear This Thing on My Head. And I'll put the details down there below if you want a copy. Alright, Satnam.